Hey, greetings and welcome back to another Glasses Kingdom reaction video. Today we're looking at this Korean artist never seen before. I've never seen him before. I don't know any of his music, but because of you awesome subscribers, you keep requesting these fantastic songs from these amazing artists across the globe, and I am so enjoying this moment, researching them, reacting to their music, becoming a fan, enjoying the journey of learning the different stories that you have placed into the comment section. Keep up the good work. You're doing a fantastic job, and it makes me want to just do more and more and more. Now, his name is, well, stage name BI. His name is Kim Han Bin. Kim Han Bin. And Bin is where BI came from, I'd like to believe. Occupation, rapper, songwriter, record producer, executive director, philanthropist. Yeah, philanthropist. So he's doing things out there. Sounds like somebody with a good heart. Genres, K-pop, hip-hop, instruments, vocals. Yeah, he plays these chords. He's been active since 2009, 2013 until present. So yeah, labels YG 131, associate acts Icon YG family. So he's been around doing his thing for a little while. Kim Han Bin was born on October 22, 1996, South Korea. In 2009, BI made his first appearance by featuring as well as participated in promotions for MC Mong. He's been around doing his thing, and today that's who we're looking at. This video was requested by one of you wonderful people, and so without further ado, let's dive right into this performance. Now I'm having a little struggle here. And the struggle that I'm having, I see two videos up here. I see a live version and I see a studio recorded version. I want to believe that there might be more exciting things going on in the studio recorded version, but sometimes I just enjoy reacting to live version of songs. So, and by the way, the live version of Waterfall was is what was requested by you. So let's dive right into it.
내 이름은 괴물, 내 이름은 죄인, 내 이름은 위선자, 내 이름은 pain. 빌어먹을 재능, 내 이름을 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해. I got a lot of pain. 이 인생은 새 노래, 끝이 없는 고뇌, 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 여행. 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘에 빌어보네. 손에 쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고 나서 피가 제대로 통해. 고백 담아놨던 모든 것을 꺼내. 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 입 밖으로 토해. Waterfall, 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져. I'm a waterfall, 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져. 내 이름은 쓰레기 어리석은 애다 받아들여야지 무슨 핑계 갖다 대. What's my name, what's my name, what I am, what I am. yeah. 물이 되어 흘러가는 흐름대로 살아가려 해. 무너진 그 단어 속에 숨겨진 깊이를 이해하니 새로운 미래가 그려짐. 틀어진 호흡 다시 가다듬고 사라지는 것들의 미련을 전부 놔야지. 이야기엔 커져버린 관념, 화면 속의 전쟁터에서 목적 없이 싸워. 냉수 한 잔 마시고 정신 똑바로 차려. 실은 역시 관대해서 나를 다시 살려. Waterfall, 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져. I'm a waterfall, 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져.
Hell yeah, I'm a waterfall.
고마운 나의 사람들 생의 모든 인연 생의 모든 기억 어쩌면 그건 다 기적 마음을 다 내려놓고 머릿속도 비워 치열했던 시간들과 다가왔던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 코맹맹이 비음 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가야지 떨어짐과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포 That's me
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. I'm a waterfall, baby. Come on, drop them flows up in here like bam. This was very, very cool. And he has a very good singing voice as well. I bet he can sing. I bet you he can sing. Very awesome voice. Very nice flow and very nice song as well. Really good stuff here. You know what? Since the video is short and we have time, I think the best idea is to look at both videos, right? Oh, who would have thought that I would have, decided to look at the next video as well? Well, let's go right into the other video.
내 이름은 괴물 내 이름은 dream 내 이름은 위선자 내 이름은 pain 빌어먹을 재능 내 이름은 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해 I got a lot of pain 인생은 새노래 끝이 없는 고뇌 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 여행 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘에 빌어보네 손에 쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고 나서야 피가 제대로 통해 고백 담아놨던 모든 것을 꺼내 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 입 밖으로 토해 Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져 I'm a waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져
They got skills. I love the choreography.
고마운 나의 사람들 생의 모든 인연 생의 모든 기억 어쩌면 그건 다 기적 마음을 다 내려놓고 머릿속도 비워 치열했던 시간들과 다가왔던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 코맹맹이 비음 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가야지 떨어짐과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포 That's me
This is really good stuff. Wow. There is something that caught my interest that I want to take a look at, and it's where he started the song. His entry point caught me off guard, and I want to take a quick look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
내 이름은 괴물 내 이름은 dream 내 이름은 위선자 내 이름은 pain 빌어먹을 재능
You see where he started? 1, 2, 3. Hold on, I have to get this again. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
내 이름은 괴물 내 이름은 dream 내 이름은 위선자 내 이름은 pain 빌어먹을 재능 내 이름은 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해 I got a lot of pain 인생은 새노래 끝이 없는 고뇌 마음속에 공백을 채워
Okay, so that's what he did. He started on the first beat. You know that many songs, the entry point for the singer is not on the first beat. Sometimes it's on a cruises. Sometimes it's on the offbeat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how some people start their song. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so they start the song sometimes on the second beat, and some people will start it on the anacrusis, on the off beat. But he started the song on the one, which is not very easy. There's a few rappers that do that, few rappers, and they are the big ones here in the United States that has been doing it for years. Not all of them do it, but this is talent. Now the choreography, the song, the dance, the moves, the voice, this is all just wonderful. And guys, thank you for recommending this. Thank you for requesting it. I'm looking forward to more. If you would like to see more, leave it in the comment section. Or if you have your favorite artist that you haven't seen yet on Glasses Kingdom, drop it right there in the comment section and I will react to them momentarily. Thank you so much for coming back to Glasses Kingdom. Remember, we're on the road to 90K. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Bang them like you're banging something hard. Yeah, subscribe. The button is right here. Just smack it and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video via your request. Thank you so much.